Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally we are doing the Urbanic haul. Yes, it's actually a mini Urbanic haul. Like, I have not bought a lot of outfits from Urbanic. I just want to try it out for the first time. Yes, I'm trying it out for the very first time too. So I'm gonna be telling you all how I liked it, from the packaging to the quality to the style and everything. So in total I've got 6 things from Urbanic. 4 of them are outfits and 2 of them are jewelry. One of them is this that I'm wearing currently. As you can see, it's super cute, it's super trendy nowadays. This 3-lobed hoop statement earring, I don't know what you call it, but it's really good. As you can see, it's just adding extra elegance to my entire outfit. Like, you just don't need anything on the neck too. It just makes your look stand out. And this is the first thing, that's this here. This is the price, you can see. And I absolutely love the jewelry quality. It does not look cheap at all, and it is heavy. It's of metal, it's not made of plastic or anything, so that's a plus point. So let's begin with the outfits. And for the first outfit, I have this cute red outfit. I had put this on my poll on Instagram asking which one do you like better. Half of them decided this one and the other half of them decided the other dress, so I have got both of them. So I've basically shopped for dresses at Urbanic. I did not go for cute crop tops or something, which are comparatively cheaper in price, but the dresses and all, they exceed 1000 rupees. So this is the first dress. It looks super cute. It's short and you can see me wearing it in this. Yes, I think I went a size up, which I shouldn't have. So it does not body hug and give a really good cute effect that it's seen in this picture. As you can see, I mean, this picture just looks phenomenal. Like, who wouldn't want to buy it? It's like that. And I mean, the quality is good. It's not like really bad, and I'm not gonna say it's excellent too, because at the sleeves you have like a double layer here, so it's good. But the dress, it's just a single cotton layer. It's like, I thought there'll be like a frill or something, like other underlining cloth under it, but it does not have that. So I paid this much for this and I'm kind of happy about it. Yes, I mean, I love the packaging though. Urbanic's packaging is really good. Each of these dresses were in separate zip covers, yes, and that's really good. So this was the first outfit and it does look super cute. I like it. Moving on to our second outfit, I have this. It's an oversized graphic tee which says what? It says Desert Adventure something and all. It's just a logo here, and yes, it is oversized and you can see me wearing it. It's comfortable. I can wear this to college, so this is really comfy. And it was not very cheap too. It's okay, it was around 900, I guess. Here's the price, you can see. Yes, it's good, but the quality, again, I'm not gonna say it's the best, because it is very, like, yes, it's not that thick. You can get a thicker material for a cheaper rate at Bonkers Corner itself. So this one's okay. I can manage it. I mean, I can. It's okay-ish. Again, I'm not gonna say the quality is best, but the packaging of Urbanic was good. And the way they display their products on their website, it's like you want to get it, but then you'll realize it later on. It's like that. So yes, moving on to our next outfit. I have this skirt that I got. It looked phenomenal on their website. Like, you can see here, it looks amazing. The quality of this skirt though, I mean, it has a slit here, has a zip till here, and then it has a slit. And the quality of the skirt, again, you can see it is quite see-through. Yes, it's not like that thick black material. So Also, I bought like a size smaller, so it's very body hugging for me, so I'm not gonna wear this and show it to you all. You can see it in this picture. Again, it looks like that if you order the right size and if you wear something inside, again, which does not make sense because this is a slit skirt. But I wanted to pair this skirt with like a lot of crop tops that I had instead of wearing jeans all the time. But then again, this one's like a little body hugging, so I should think about it. And moving on to our last outfit. This one is my favorite from Urbanic that I got. I mean, see, I'm wearing the same color nail polish because I wanted to wear it recently. I can't wait to wear it. It's that cute. It's this floral printed frock. It's so cute that it makes me look like a kid when I wear it. You can see. It's so cute. It has a square neck design here and it is comparatively longer than the red one that I showed you in the beginning, and it looks so cute after wearing it. As you can see, it just makes you happy. It's that kind of a dress. It's really cute, but again, the material, I must say, it's okay. It's manageable. It's not bad at all. They should have put in a little bit of extra effort for the price. I mean, if you're selling it for a really cheaper rate, I mean, it's okay, but for this price, I think they should have worked a little bit more on their material, because this price whether you can get it in H&M and everything for a really good quality too. Also, one thing that I noticed in all their outfits is that they do not have a tag. Like, there's no tag of Urbanic. There is just a price tag that is hanging here. But then, I mean, who's gonna know that it's from Urbanic? I'll forget in future from where did I even get it. And also, I think that when there's no name tag to an outfit, I feel like they're buying from multiple buyers and selling it on their website or something, but I don't know what's the reality. I think it would be better if they added their name tags. Even Triple S has their own name tag, so I think it would be better. Also, I had been outside, so I wanted to exchange that skirt because I wasn't here to look at the outfits and the exchange period was ended. It was just for 10 days, which I think they should exceed again, because many of the websites have a 30-day exchange policy. Like, you can exchange it in 30 days and you can get your money refunded, or you can just exchange your size. But then they just have a 10-day policy. I don't know why. Also, talking about the quality of the clothes, I think they can work on it because it looks phenomenal on their website. Like, you can see. I mean, that's a business trick, I know that, but still, you know, you can't just fool your customers like that. But then again, if you're buying really cheaper clothes on Urbanic for this quality, I mean, it's okay. But if you are paying this much of amount for every dress, I don't think that's worth it. But yes, if you are looking to buy dresses on Urbanic, be careful so that you get a really good quality. Go read the reviews. And I'm gonna give you all another tip. Yes, for smart buying, this is a really important thing. Sometimes some dresses do not have like reviews under it, you know. It's not like Amazon or Flipkart that most of all the outfits have reviews under it. So what you can do is you can go to the Instagram page of Urbanic Official and you can go to this column where people have tagged Urbanic and you can search for your outfit. Like, you can just scroll and you can search if any one of them are wearing your outfit. I found this girl wearing this one and I pretty much liked how it was looking on her, and that's why I considered buying this one. I should have searched for the red one too, which I did, but I did not get. So the probability of you finding your outfit in this section is really less. But you can find it because I found one of them among all of the others that I've bought. Also, if you guys want me to try out the cute tops that Urbanic has, like the small ones, they're really cheap too. It is the only thing that is like similar to the prices of Shein, I think, because all these dresses and all were really cheap on Shein. It was not this costly like in Urbanic, so I don't think that Urbanic is like a proper substitute for Shein. So yes, if you want me to try out some cute tops from Urbanic, do comment down in the comment section. I'll definitely try making a video for you. Also, we have a last thing to show. Actually, I just showed you 5 items. The last one is my favorite, I mean, among jewelry. As you can see, this is so cute. All the jewelry on Urbanic is like amazing. I can literally buy more jewelry than outfits on Urbanic. It is really good. also cheaper than stores. So yes, this is the 3-layered chain that I've got from Urbanic. It has a chunky chain, a coin necklace, and a thinner metal link chain. Yes, this is a 3-layered chain necklace. I wanted to buy something really, layered like this from a long time, so I had ordered this on Urbanic. And you can already know that it's gonna look so pretty after wearing it. Like, I should have wore this with this outfit, but then it would look really gaudy. So when you're wearing something 3-layered like this, make sure that you go lighter on your earrings. You don't wear something chunky there too. So yes, this is again one of my favorites. The jewelry's quality, I'm gonna say it's 5 and 5 for me. The clothes, I'm gonna say it's 3.5 out of 5, all of them. Yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my honest review on Urbanic Official. I really hope they can even improve their customer service a little bit and their tracking details, because when I ordered it, then for like 2 weeks I guess, the tracking system was not refreshed, so I wasn't even knowing where my outfits are, like how many days they're gonna get delivered or anything. I had no idea, and I was someplace else, so I could not wear the outfits and see if it fitted me, and then I could exchange it. So that's really sad. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys again want me to make any other haul videos, any other kinds of videos, whatever it is, do comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and yes, also subscribe to my channel because it really motivates me. And thank you guys for watching. Meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.